nyina so aka bumene wonsum ntine Dr. Andy Osei Okrah sofa yesusu ya sofa ye nyina ya sofa wonsum na ya so mama bibia aye kama ewa ha Doc atenase Doc akwaba
ya minia
nbacho bibia boko de
ya mi adum edin kese no afa
ayo
edin pa
yes ya de suma santemai ya sum Ghana so kama but your office boko de
ya mi adaroma ene mpaibo bibia ya boko
ene ya mi ase o ba ha nyina messages and crowd send ba ne ade nyina no man for say o ma feel pa
ne kure eno antina ya ba fie
yes fie but your office will take you over how many months or more than a year?
Yes, say ka o de memfa akonya so nchia watiefo nyina na edikan memfa nchia kase ema me papa nyina yewura ye tumfo santehene ote kokoso me rambo mu a bo dia na mabo mu asa no pay me chia ne maame de Julia ne mpanfo na nanom a wa santeman nyina ne titru Kumasi Traditional Council omo inu di juma omadaroma no motete yen eboy ho ganyina de na monti aduru ha no paya na ose achia na achia Kumasi mpanfo nyina na se ne odi kan no Kumasi political head so the regional mayor and now say any birthday senior Zuba fa kwanya sunchia na ma happy birthday
yes
na regional minister so on the head regional president and name so menchia no ani na watwi nyina menene di jumadi na Ashanti region
you know Thursday Obesra wa
regional minister Dr. Franka Kohine na regional chairman and then paying for regional organizers isham no ne secretary so menchia omunyina na ne titiri me constituency menchia no so menchia omo chairman drusu ne menchia no from paying for nyina na menka me krum hin so brokrum ne paying for so menchia omo na mabusia for so menchia na machia Akoma
yes
that's it
yes okay
now busa and abusa asemi ne o say asade nchia kase so my His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, nation builder and the visionary leader. A year Nadaroma no appointed a call Tree Crops Development Authority and send your busa no kosha 17 February 2025.
Oh, okay.
And the appointment by it take you over now 17th February 2025. To whom you dear Fanny 5 months. Sana.
Yeah, I see. This authority a year more under ministry bay.
A Ministry of Food and Agriculture.
Okay.
What kind of food and agriculture, but 3 strong ministries now are connected.
Okay.
Remudia supervised by Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Now, say a share governance structure so we have 29 member board. 29 3 ministries. Ministry of Food and Agriculture, Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness and Industry, and Ministry of Finance.
Okay.
They all sit on the board.
Okay.
That's 24 come from the private sector.
Okay.
So it's a private sector led authority. 24 of them come from the only 2 per
NAA government
excellency appointees.
Okay.
The CEO and the board chairman.
I see. In the interest here there, we have 3 ministries. Is it that moye juma emasa ministries me and saying and ministries in interest pa a whole authority in moye there.
Maybe your dear friend, dear woman say a Tree Crop Development Authority no Ghana for ete say almost in about 6. It was established an act of parliament, Act 1010 of 2019. and authority no so omo dana di 29 September 2020 and omo te so omo de near about six strategic crops ni so na e ko school friend cash crops so yi koko e fringe ehu a ye wo nnuaba bi te se cashew, coconut, kube, oil palm, abe, rubber rubber, and then mango, a mango aye koti, then share aye nkuto.
Okay.
Nyama sexy.
Okay.
Aye parliament ni Ghana for jitum say ye per se ye ti free cocoa ho na ye authority na yetimi e develop no ye ma ye ni ko ho e regulate ti hye ne yie ma etimi de sika ebre Ghana enu nti e na mo te free cocoa ho say na hoodin ni sika sem in terms of hoodin also a non-traditional export commodity.
Yeah.
It is a cocoa na raw material na ye use na man ne bebre enu ne de ye bebre wo fa cashew a friend atiana eniema yetimi de ye na Ghana ha ye hu ni wie na frisa na wie ne keke the oils in it the niema amutimi ye wa manone no India for ne Vietnam for so man hia cashew ya ye wi ya omuntimi entina enti very very profitable and lucrative ti Ghana for hu say yon te enunsinche enna coconut kubeya ehunu sa
kubeya ya na enimu ha kra na boy CB be papa bi wa
de enimu an si abokube ne awe ne anum nsu ne ya to bibi akone na kube ne gina sa from ni fini kosi ni hini ehun faso a ewiase di ye no Ghana for ehun ye entinye se nsuo ni keke nsuo no kra de wi amanfo add value nsuo ni se ne enom ukọ ahia Thailand na kohwe coconut nsuo a na hwe coconut na hwe ne hono de ye de na haban ye de ye same thing no about almighty abe oil palm ya nti e de esusu ana nyine nti abenkwan na de bi abenkwan all oils ukọ pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, confectionaries ukọ amasisi baby aduru ne biofuels enu ne de abe na wakọ rubber ye beniema bebre wo ha ya rubber akitan enu ne keka bom tiles wo ka ewe ka tire ye nenam nyinara rubber no ne dane ani ede ye na mango de se na ye
yes mango
na fe share butter enkuto obia ni ho a onam ho na ye wo ya mfa nkuto antwetwe eno ani ni se de nkuto twetwe it goes beyond that. It's a cocoa and a chocolate be breba ye na nkuto and many others. Enti said this is 6 crops and she say enkum na in develop. That's what tenuntino Ghana and who said Ghana sikasem nyina be gina so. Tenuntina Ministry of Finance.
And trading so be
because a value added trade, agribusiness and industry. See BBB you make a crave in your own Okumwa cashew no your cashew processing factories it may add the value to it before they export. You say no near a shimukena to trade in the business or agribusiness and value addition industry. But the same thing goes to coconut interest. The same thing. Now when you export it more product in the requirement on it, you should be bringing now.
Okay.
Export revenue in Ghana Export Promotion Authority.
And so was so
interest go under the Ministry of Trade in
I see.
And that is so busaya and na ankwankwa na edua omoniama.
Okay.
Wo sebe na wo coconut, wo na wo cashew, wo na wo oil palm. So individuals so you farmers and you mo aggregators. Ekeka ni nyina bom nom wi abeton ama ben nom. Omben nom so traders. Ben sum keka bom ama so de koma obi a okwa export and so obi a oil processing. No so akeka bom no akoton ama so it's a value chain.
Yeah.
And a transport will be also then a car. If they are called the Kotema, could do them customs for so should be bia ma ho krata na ba bia de ko bia.
And the movement of sa commodities in so mo said say ye dey be fa kwampa so na dey free o man ni mu yen smuggle out of the country into hono ma sheda ye arrangement to be for the protection of the commodities ana
and here be di kan emrana e dey Act 10 of 2019 and airline legislative instrument 2471 HS obia opeso dijumade bi no also register now all license number 1 then before you can do any of these business also nya license from TCDA Tree Crop Development Authority now NTM fan say why licensed also obey we dijumade bi yes and name remu no wonya bia opeso di ayini bi so export to so dey see amount permit na ultimate dey export yese o san fam free sampa emetwam emfa kumasia emfa nkono ye free bibi ye de bibi aba friend conveyance certificate system
okay
so ultimate nya bi na ye kire say yes every man for ho na eba 20,000 tons
yeah
or the free farm we mu na eba farmer we na toy farmer no so your license also your license now they ko he so me dey ben won kan brand so or license buyer na okay ampa owi a ben so person dey ko he ben so person dey ko Vietnam ni nyina your data
I see
yes
I see
until say we any friend conveyance certification system
okay
and they are bad because the quality the entire see hwe ni nyina the quality no ehia or say what dry no certain it's a cashew what dry no certain moisture content or said the quality is good because why you na the the wrong thing customs when you na the wrong thing kwa amanonia Ghana and oguenumasi and these are
to make sure so did the right
thing
commodity na they in terms of the quality okay I see and beyond that some share the movement you know price systems also and also fall under mo share price control near the
yes to their base and part into the setting minimum farm gate price
okay
send you see a tunnel service okwa fom and now to free farm and ha send you see a tunnel ye ni ginemu ma ye hihye
okay
and so send ye na etena sabi etena dem ha ne ya bo etim se koton no teku ana asempo emra na asa kire eniema the factors are boom FOB price exchange rate cost of production we nyina ya transparent e figures ni nyina hihye na we hihye mu wi a na yi ti say lotto no
okay
tiaba that is the cost of buying cashew at the farm gate
okay
and no just say you can say the chain say this is the price 12 cedis per kilo sani determine untimi turn below that
okay
but betimi turn
above that okay
ni nyina say the bo farmers no ho
yeah
buying say ni obi nko na before authority beba no na te say okwa the obi a person turn no
how stable na ya
metimi aka say it becomes unstable at times na ni nyina no na me chirechire nipa ni nima omunnim ntino na sabi edwadie no obi aso pe mfaso bebre nti onya wono obebu de ya na so beti ase na wati ase enne ye ba ye nchechira ye chechese se nyina akogitum se 12 cedis per kilo sa ban ensa nyina bibi so anase TCD ensa ma mekan se ebo no ate kofom se ya obi ani hu kwan so to no sa
okay
yes na de binum be konto ba se ba they said yeah hanya the ben what dey and way enye say ntime mintua ne bo no ntime ma ataku ade a bia taku ne fa no say mema ataku now so instead so betime gina ona so say no men entisa no oja ondi ni man to obi anto no bi an say no
tony bia
no dey but yen to cause bibisa na ehu ne eche we dia what to Ghana for so emra but die o say yen adwadifo na na say farmers ne yen say ekwan bia so insist
okay
say untimi ntɔn ma ne sa na ntirim kakra ɛwɔ sɛ wo cashew anaasɛ wo wadeɛ na woyɛ no price no so it comes with certain qualities also ultimate dry cashew no to a certain moisture content 10% or below
okay
and the quality to you try also to dry ni you nko dey try once the quality is high when you out 10 it be a 46 48 to 50 out 10s and you know oh yeah nipa no kra e ma ho dry
okay
oh yeah no so afum
yes I get it
part 20 no
I get it
so afum to
get it
me akwa dry ma nti no dey farmer me no atono sebi di opebia no so dry no tie encheche na ye cheche now we had a very good time our mampon
oh yes yeah beba ho ne ba hwe de course o mampon nti ezi ayeka say cashew any rubber coconut mango oil palm share no omu nyina wo price a agreed price a omu ekono
yes sana mrandi aye ni nyina nti say adiaka ni roll out ewo mu a ayaka ni coconut coconut pride determination and you be near sensitization
okay
because sabi say ye nkan to coconut 10 cedis ni above ba cocoa chia na bonte but minimum price no it has to be determined by us ni nyina science abafu ni ma Akoma factors na ni nyina ndisenia also moto no senia farmer no beton ama trader no na they also petty trader and retail no so senia koni nyina ye ne empenfo no ye ncheche be nchekura bi beba ha na mo abon radio so na nipa at senia price no so I see absa for say afena bia wa join ni an nkomodi ayedi ne 3 Crops Development Authority CEO and an opayatna say Dr. Andy Osei Okrah and an opayedin come about the authority. Yes. Messages in be no ha we won't be a big is I mean near money how for the first time one. That is how you know so say any educating on any makoye. Evans
yes
Evans
yes doc well a quick one.
Evans there last week from
from Wednesday
no ABC Enra
me call Bono East
now on cashew farm and one day experience or
yeah doc me call Triabodom me call Insuta Techiman me call Chra me call Sunyane Jene Japekrum Drobo Farman me call Dwinim me call Siketia Mole Edumsa Amonfoso me call ho Amonfoso me call Suma Ahinkru Ewura Sampa
correct
Duada number 1 number 2 Kabile Kokoa Saikwa ofori krom brekum ena me be wi obrekum
ka chem so Sampa
na yes me ko ho nyina sem kura ma boss nyina ba be 12 of them em say ade ayi nim so omoye eye cashew so far baby a me ko yi nyina no baby a processing factory wo locally established processing factory tuabod and techiman fe no almost set up India for bi na sampa ye mienu ba ko kabile eno cooperative bi esi o ma 10 na face so ba ko bi so ya no so ewo ho omo problem in fact the wo sampa proper no problem we ho ne say me call ye de aka omo bottle aka say aka be 6 tons. The fact of the matter is that catch them say o process we are enu an be close factory no processing factory no
because raw materials are available.
Yes ojon de tie ni raw materials no Buduku about 4 kilometers away from Sampa Ivory Coast no see one area omoto a process cashew enti se season ni drew ha businessmen now mu dealing in cashew middlemen or whatever buyers no free buduku eba sampa any other areas kabile any the other so number 1 and 2 of course omo warehouses so ho enti omo the price ne ba
Okay.
farmer bia so pese ade na wo ton no oton nya bo
Yeah.
enti omo de bo ne ba na farmers na ton ama omo
Yes, on beto the call.
yes enti asem propro ana ebeka no
And that's
eno na
factory no.
locally established Ghanaian or locally established factories no almost feed you on no process
Okay.
look am your ho omo ye we come through processing ni mu a kakra bi no munya di dom benya no di timi ya chips they don't get the raw material to process for export.
I don't know. Almost time they say a smuggling and I say a illegal
No,
trading.
the problem is that the we say our system yet said here kuku board here no. There should be emra, but you see we go beyond policy.
Yes.
So if you come the policy in a bar, local processors no almost sika ewo form. Enti nka aban no se bianka ehwe se bianka Exim Bank bi sa na nke bi a
Omanya support.
the Dr. Okrah dem mejini
Yes.
ko betimi awuram na nka omanya sika dia ma
Okay.
local processors
So-
no metimi ato.
Chief,
It's
we
very
are aware unwe twen. We are aware say so the course Evans the already free ho aben but about tables we are aware.
Menim na both ways.
Okay.
Even say omaka and I'm so new way for kasa omaka said no me de call
Yeah.
no me to ase. The same thing the oka no e ho no so na free ba. Cash you be bre no so e ba ha no e fa ha no e free sa kuro na na be fa ha ko.
Okay.
What did they make it?
Okay.
If we cash you be bre e fa Ghana ha e ko no and to free Ivory Coast and e fa ha ko. And also yes. And also yeah.
If be fa corner be so the be ewura. So
So kind sa anti border patrol or border tighten a key in terms of our work.
Yeah.
And with national security, with police, with customs, and all our commodities. Because the okay, we could do a oil palm so a bay and wopa and also the so were the same similar situation to their own. But there no, I'm very happy to say Evans to buy and yes, some people are here and no can challenge our local processors war and then liquidity. Sika on the better at the end because some a jadi
yeah.
and you know Evans or no a processor wo manfo also ye exporter or trader tina wo dwom ne eto nti de oni sika na okokoto to bia nti wie ti bie no a no bia Russia akoto nti wo de sika kuta ti wo ko ya na mo dan ma also dia wonya sika nti that is the problem nti no in Ivory Coast no ade no omo window bi kra create more processes say mo nkoto last year come and try no mo bi nka chem say chief wonya problem because who create man sika ya de be kwa akoto kra no
Okay.
a problem until the sika is the issue.
Okay.
And tiampa started say yeah hwe kan e betimi abom then I kind of first no na enye strongly regulated like a neighbor baby ayekwe. Into processes are well regulated near now like you go so also all license will be bia e betimi hu o farm no I mean o company no e wa ha e betimi say anti edi wachi ekwaje bibi mawa ubetimi atua to these are any banks okay any banks this time you open up banks be are interested and they are, you feel okay say now that is coming well regulated they can do that now the sustainability pa no Ghana for edutum say we a big problem you know in our act omodeba say we have to set up 3 crop fund.
Okay.
Oh
Okay. And
fund
and you're doing
and check yeah ben launch be am fine and can September but ya ko back be yeah may ho be October November it mobilize seed capital no na launch was mrano na make mrana kire maybe a yenye scan free nyina na infantum na yen grow no
okay.
and you say no registered processor a value addition person a winim meaning
You can apply.
obia this year na me pay 600,000 amana koto yi me now so on a function as my prudential bank edit so mbeboa.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, the 600,000 no. Then fund ya set it up in your grower and no one so go through the process ye nimu no. Yeah, tintim na nyina na ya dey ya maniska. That is the sustainability.
All right. Okay. So ni nyina no ka sa cashew ni rubber ni coconut ni mango oil palm ni share ni nyina bomu a buying focus vision or value addition at the same.
Make me say this is the first time in the history where buying share more the vision is on value addition and industrialization.
Okay.
Because Mira Mahama, President of the Republic, had to know to say gone are the days where we will export our raw materials outside and then go and import them. And some right on the higher prices. Or the nearest is a point be a meeting a value addition. Say cashew more and that is and even in the budget so here say add more to strategic local processing in the corridors of Bunu East and other individuals I mean nipa 4 or 5 away a table and they are setting up in the various places all because of value addition. Yeah, the value addition to the mra advance the mra baby na tree crop or boy chidom and yes send you can regulate the export and to say yeah in your ultimate fa near man this will apply for us to check and give you the permit to go because Miranda say we should look after local processes before any other thing.
Okay.
So near my yashisheni na my fee over industrialization and cost send you me aboa the sika ni titiri ni sika wa share Exim Bank to support countries like that under the 24-hour economy program no or is towards industrialization. The buying focus is on value addition. Now you value addition without production.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
And the focus can see a pan so we have to expand the base.
Okay.
Because can be through by production annual production is about 260,000. Ivory Coast 1.2 million tons.
Wow.
So
twice the BI crown.
Yeah. One of the focus of essence the president see a bit more. Intending now one of them over oil palmer. Or say he's adding 100,000 hectares more using $500 million and financing window.
I don't know them call.
The end one can national oil palm multi-state.
But anyone a day at the mobile I mampoint and I'm mampoint different from
yes and production everyone a dear bar mampoint the chair input. Yeah, the input seedlings, early quality seedlings are my farmers do a bay say cashew, say bear, say coconut at the bread farmers and now share no so we hear certain inputs hand gloves to be or walk a cow Goldentin boots, tricycles so between room. There no na nationwide distribution of this input. Now you choose Asante Mampong, Ashanti region.
Ashanti region,
no. Kwaye nana that's bread. Savings limited, number 30. In fact, na February. I see. Now, idea, Nyamina President Mahama so here by giving out these seedlings and input to tree crop farmers. No, I show moon crying ye bebre. Na, adena yashas no. Him said, "No na bema a production no akosuru because we are going to do it continuously."
So there interest, but be crap so
yes,
bit me aye no
aye. Target ni mebunu because mebunu fi se ndwuma ni ho. And nti omo hwe niam bia emfa sebe emfa emwayen ebinim ne guarantee. These are areas how bit me dua nti omo amaye bi ba be kan sika amonya firim and how we can support them. And no near bon who the bridge and sasi bia obenya na obi asase some bekan bom and tree crops sector no so lucrative na metimenya agriculture faculty bi we went there to say in that enclave we are going to make sure that the lands that they hoko nyina no we support them to grow something because a factory ni ba e bi na no okay factory ni ba also run it 24 hours and then also for the whole 365 days. No?
Yeah.
And we need more production. And to say, yeah, can't addition here, man, for me, set machine, set factories in Siwa. What did you check? Say,
production,
no?
Ababe meeting the demand.
And working on here too.
Okay.
You share the production and then the value addition.
Okay.
And that is what
so now the processing no buying will partner the private sector more. And buying ankasa be set up on ankasa ne processing.
There be we there and can say a public sector led, private sector driven.
Okay. I see.
So TN is a public sector led. President Mama near buying creating a new environment. At the policies but 24-hour economy base. But also when I do see kabeshi. Now the private sector driven. Until I catch us a board 29, 24. Private sector. Be a more soon now or more. Why dear na dear bantine. The policies are dear by my dear bano is to make you comfortable to be able to do that. That is what. But to a directly as directly is value adjacent industrialization. Let's push that angle. Then and no air cost the same thing at the same time. Let's increase productivity in terms of increasing acreages and advocating so that more people in your buying and they're quiet but buy financing window at the aba until some 40 way so could you have 5,000 hectares what land will be arrangements and then you go there. Put your cars before them in Omaso.
The coconut, maybe
coconut, yes. In fact, the entire Baha Ashanti region,
yes,
and it's Adian.
Okay.
If it's one of the regions I share, crops and also a region specific, and I said vegetation, ecological zones.
Yeah.
So far, rubber here, a western region, and eastern. It's here, but see, here, we don't know. I just know Ashanti be. The any soil research no be. Ashe, Ashanti, a bit me because we have come to realize why all this is called a bit me. You Ashanti region. Yes,
I see.
We call Mampon Kakrana, what Yampa, who first cashew to say they are now even say cashew and you say Bono is
yeah.
Cashew I'm who knows until Mampon. You can't believe it.
Wow.
And the cashew Makana me who ever hokofa jiraho. The oil palm there, I bet there. In say a year more. If can't be na me fast watch we were jabbing him future jabbing assure that leadership when it comes to be jabbing oil mills is there. And you know and no ho mango dear tenya na titi ha ye titi bi di ha mango but and he say in senka bunu is mira grass and tin ewo mango farm ewo bunu ewo nkransa area. But they can also do well here. These are near my person be in Ashanti region. Now it's me a dihunjuma.
Enti yawo bebe meka se be 5 minutes na ye dey wrap up na se bibia kamu a na bia ya hwe na ye free ho me zamo a me sure say nkomo a ye di mo say obo tiri nkwa so we interest ho kakra zamo betra se na owi a wagya kwan wai enti me se bibia kamu a obema ye tiefu ahu a na ya bone tofa ade amaya na fi mpenifo nso abam
yo me that's we the ben bibia kamu na de ye kan say the Tree Crop Development Authority ene ye asoya ye hwe na sa enuaba 6 year me kan ho asemsi ye cashew, coconut, oil palm, rubber, mango and share. Ye regulators, SI developers. Regulator no, ye ne hye home nyina ntino. Ohun se opeso di djuma ni bia was first or register na ma license na atimi ye. Na djuma no so no ye wo omom ye farmers, ye omom aggregators, producers, exporters nyina wo mto hwe di opeso ya na ohun di obeye. Afi omom wo mu dada no di omunim. Na afi esaka nsase ayeja mane de da hwa ngura na agusu no. These are economic crops I betimi adua bi. So come Malaysia and Indonesia na be no mbe fafiri ha. E say omo ebo Malaysia din pe ayabe. nti ade nti ne ntimi embo senya Ghana kwa ne nti ade nti ne ntimi mu Ashanti region eyabe na Kenya ayi a ededa hoyi nsase kwa ededa hoyi etimi aye sebenya forest de yabɔ ho ban na nsase ededa outside forest reserves ne ade ebetimi aye na bio so nsase a galamsey asɛn no ebetimi de rubber no bi ne ade restore back. These are all niema enti ene o fa kwan so obon se ye baaye no ye de abaya we have recruited about 100 people from compliance and enforcement officers. Be pass out higher.
Yes, we can have 100
omo gina obon hu so omo gina kwan ho e check say ade na ade kwana nipa na ye no kra all right nonsense to do those things. No hu.
Okay.
Afei we hia ho chechire bia so we yafuo and now person enter into the same people can also help your office. Ewo Kumasi hasenia Evans kan ko Kumasi a o bank kan so aseche obehu ye wo office ni bi wo wanchi you will be o sunyane you will be tamale ekoni nyina afe enche ebenya bi wa Ashanti region ha abehwe north o man side no enche bebe we na make ka ben mafwe we adwumadi a osenda nipa bebre na anim authority na bebre na anim. It is an area we want to bring to attention.
Yes.
Na say o ho nimdie bi na o ho adwuma bi epeso ya obetimi ne edi nkuta ho.
Okay.
Na yetimi aye. Ebefa kwanyen so ada na amampon hene ase se ogina yachi ma yetimi de inputs several inputs at the farmers say mampon na ogina santima na ejima na ya da original minister so as the board the tie and see say dem nyina
doc anope da say bizamwa say we there
o doc akase pa bigidi say da bi amba na ma na me hama yes I am industrialization it doesn't go without having the raw material. So we produce you need to add value to it. It is very important. Say we must start it. Now when we start here, na the ama politicians no pen say we start here. Enye dini. Nti ni optics no hwa we betimi gina say we padi bi o yesi ni gina. We take about 5, 10, 15 na amateur na for ye coin say Ghana. We need to have the project 2014 in sight. Next 15 years, it must be an industrialized country.
Yeah.
Now it starts from here.
yes
You train a man and mass because never know who do and who shishi na. Not just say by the time I be do such thing. Not just say what are the value? What are the value to it? Not economy. He said there be an American say okwa abujira. If I say you can only baby. How they say play no bell and then as oti window. Ya hwefo from where boom say as a kun ya che as ya tun say dame no ya chichechichem sa ni nyina ye baby angrofo agropass nko angrofo duane amagwa kroma say the offer a play now ba bisia the ohunu from where galam say say any nzu ase
I say yeah.
So we have a long way to go, but we are not out of the bush yet.
Yes, we'll get there.
We'll get there. Na ba jomus masumi monhwe na monye ni na obia yenyi selfish na yenyi selfless na make sure say we are thinking about our nation.
Yeah.
Ye ja ho amanchirima.
Yeah. That's true.
Because yes ebe ha adwen kakra.
But that's Mzamwa. Doc, yeah that's say. Nyame adoma say dey waka no. Echire nka bo bia no. So mo de beba na ya hwe na ya ho adwuma kama de amamo. Yeah, that's a pa no pay so. Yes. All right. Yeah, that's it.
I said Robin, Akoma from Fufu Party. Kayo, Yoyan Wayua, a free. And Fianumni, and Akoma FM, Amakuma Sama Santamai, and a Kanamai at the